In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a search bar above the header in Squarespace. We'll work right inside the Squarespace editor so you can see updates as you go. Make sure you're editing the area where you want the search bar to appear, specifically the space above your header. When your cursor hovers in an editable area, you'll see insertion points appear. That's where we'll add our search. Start by adding a new block. Look for the Add Block control that appears when you move your mouse near the top area. Click it to open the block picker. This is the quickest way to add functional elements without leaving the page you're editing. In the search field at the top of the block picker, type the word search. This filters the options so you don't have to scroll through the entire list of blocks. It also helps you avoid accidentally choosing a layout or content block that isn't meant for searching. From the filtered results, select the block labeled Search Field. This is the compact search input designed to sit in line with your layout, perfect for placing above the header. It's different from a full search results page. This one is just the field your visitors will use to start a query. After the block appears, open its settings by clicking the small pencil icon on the block itself. The settings panel is where you control how the search behaves. Taking a moment here ensures your search bar returns the most helpful results for your visitors. Inside the settings, switch the behavior to search specific page. By default, search can scan your entire site, but focusing it on a single area is great when you want to guide people directly to a certain type of content. This is especially helpful above the header, where you're offering a quick, focused way to find something important without distraction. Now choose the page you want the search to target. Select Shop as the example. With this option, visitors who type into the search field will get results from your shop only, which keeps product discovery fast and relevant. If your site's key content lives somewhere else, you would choose that page here. But for many sites, the shop is the obvious choice. That's it. You've added a search field, configured its settings, and pointed it to the page that matters most. You'll see the changes immediately in the editor preview. For best results, check that the search bar's color and spacing contrast well with your header area so it's easy to spot and use. Give it a quick test by typing a product or keyword to confirm the results match your chosen page.